In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete your browsing history on the Opera web browser on your MacBook. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Opera button up in the menu bar and then select where it says Settings. In the search settings field up at the top here, you want to type in History. Where it says delete browsing history, go ahead and select that, and then you can adjust the time range for whatever period you want. Select browsing history, and then select delete data, and that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.